What to do if you lose your social security card.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a serious issue many of us might face: losing your social security card. Don't panic. We are going to break down step by step what you should do in this situation.
Should I always replace my lost social security card?
The first question you might ask is whether you should always replace your lost social security card. The answer is, not necessarily. It's essential to remember your social security number, SSN, and typically, you rarely need to present your card. However, if you've forgotten your SSN or need the card for specific purposes like starting a new job, then replacement is necessary.
How to protect yourself from identity theft.
Before even considering replacing your card, it's crucial to protect yourself from potential identity theft. Monitor your credit reports and financial accounts for any unusual activity. If you find anything suspicious, report it immediately to your bank, credit card company, and the police.
How to replace a lost social security card.
Now let's talk about the replacement process. You'll need to 1. Contact Social Security Administration, SSA. You can do this online in most states, or by calling SSA's toll-free number. If online or phone options aren't suitable, you can also visit a local SSA office. 2. Provide required documents. You'll need to prove your identity, often with a passport or driver's license. If you're a non-citizen, additional documentation will be required. 3. Complete an application. Fill out the SSA's application form for a replacement social security card. Remember, you can replace a lost or stolen card up to 3 times in a year, and up to 10 times during your lifetime. In conclusion, while losing your social security card can seem alarming, know that there is a process in place to handle it. Ensure you take preventive measures against identity theft and then, if necessary, proceed with replacing your card. Stay vigilant, stay safe. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.